Mr. Yelton, can we play with Mastercam?
Alrighty then. Here we go. We are going to make a back scratcher, and I don't really have a design except for in my mind. So let's get going. Machine router. Hit enter. Doesn't really matter where you click, but I would stay in this green. And then while we're here, we're going to go to copy. If you don't see the dynamic tab, hit view. And then, oh no, it should pop up automatically. Never mind. So let's move it down 1 inch. So what you can do is hit tab, that'll open it up, and then type -1. There we go. Hit enter again, and then you can hit the green check. I'm gonna make this, say 1.5. Sorry, height to 1.5. Let's do 2.5 long. All right, where'd that go? Let's try that again. So we'll do 2.5 by 1.5. Hit enter. I put it where it's yellow, so it's freeform. And I'm basically going to do something like this. And then I'm going to click in the blue. And I'm going to change it to 25 degrees. And then I'm going to click back on the red. And I'm going to slide it about there. Right? Hit check. I'm going to move these again. I'll hit enter. I'll click it, freebound it, and I'm thinking something like that. Hit enter again, green check. Now, select these and go to fillet entities right here. Chain, you can hit that. Let's do, oh, you gotta hit OK right here. And let's change that to 0.375. Okay, do 0.5. So hit OK. And then we're gonna go to line endpoints. Make a line from there to there. And I'm going to go to break 2 pieces. So I'm going to scroll in. So you see that this is broken now. and I want to do the same thing here. So I'll click this line and then click right there. I'll click this line, click right there. Hit escape to get out of the command. I can highlight this, 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 and this, delete it. Now we should have one continuous piece. And then we're going to see if we can do this. So we'll go bop, 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 wireframe, fillet entities. In fact, no, we're just going to do fillet entities. And I'm going to put in a 0.625. And I'm going to hit OK and see if that works. No, it didn't. Okay, let's see. Try it again. Wireframe, fillet. There we go. Now 0.625 is too big. Let's try 0.375. Let's try 0.5. So it's saying, hey, that's too big. It doesn't know what to do. Let's try 0.4. Nope. Okay, so 0.375 it is. It's fine. Now, same thing. I go from here to here. I'm going to do 1 inch. Then I'm going to go from here to here with 1 inch. I'll hit enter again. In fact, I might try 2. Here we go. So we'll do 2 inches. We'll try 0.25. There we go. Now we're going to build a little scratchy scratch right here. So I've got this line, and I'm going to try arc polar. Click here. Nope. Escape. Kill that. Arc endpoints. I'll try here to here. And I like that. Hit OK. I'm going to hit escape. Click this. Delete it. And then this is going to be interesting. We're going to have to do some creative file saving. So I'm going to go circle center point. Oh, I know what we can do. On the diameter, I'm going to put 0.375. Yep, I like that. You can put these anywhere. I'm not worried about the spacing, but I'm going to show you the idea. I'll go to view. No, I'll go to transform, dynamic. I'm going to select that and hit enter. I'll click it. I'm going to copy. Do 4. Now you see it doesn't really know what to do with them. It's trying to go on an axis. And then we can move that one. Now let's see if we can do it over here. Oh. Okay, that's probably as good as I'll get in that. I'll hit check. And then I'm going to go to transform, dynamic. I clicked it, I hit enter. I'm going to go to copy. So I'm going to put another one. Let's put one here. And we'll do copy. There we go. We're going to go blue again. You can hit either or, click, hit enter, grab, yellow, enter, and then we'll hit green check for being done. So we have these 3 dots, 1, 2, 3, with a 16th inch bit. And all those dots are going to do is we're going to do this main piece, and then we're going to do 2 pieces that are basically this shape after we run these toolpaths here in a second. And one's going to go on one side and one's going to go on the other. And we might even change, where the teeth are in each of those. Okay, so toolpath. We are going to do a pocket on chain. That's going up. That's going down, so it doesn't matter because we're on pocket. I got all of those. I hit OK. I'm going to go to 1/4 inch, 145. And I'm going to end up moving this toolpath. Follow me regardless. It won't be hard to move. That should be good. That should be good. Depth cuts we definitely want on. We'll do 125 thousandths per pass. And we'll keep the tool down. Breakthrough we do want on. We're going to try to go through 30 thousandths. Linking parameters. Okay, our depth is going to be -0.5. There's those guys. Now I want to do this one first, but I forgot, so I'm going to run this toolpath real quick. I go to toolpath, and we're literally just going to do a drill toolpath, but we're going to use an end mill. So I'll just tell it OK. I selected all 3 on my tool. I'll go to 142, and I'm actually looking for 143, 16th. There you go. Stock. I'm going to do a pec drill. Stock depth is going to be -0.5. Back, let's do -0.53. It's 530 thousandths. And we're not going to turn tip compensation on because we're not using a bit. Hit OK. I'll go to view. I'll bring up my toolpath tab. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just try to pull this up, and I'm going to put move before. There we go. So now the pec drill is the first cycle, and the 4 or 5 holes are next. Get back down here. How is that even possible? There we go. Kill that for now. Go back to toolpath. I'm going to do a contour. We'll do chain. We'll click where we want it to start. Going this way, so I want it to cut. It's going this way, I want to cut above it. So if I'm looking that way, it would be on the left. On my tool, I'll go back to this 1/4 inch bit. It's already on left, that's good. By the way, if your arrow was facing the other way, you would just make it cut on the right. So you don't have to worry if you weren't able to do that. Depth cuts, let's do 125 thousandths per pass. Lead in, lead out, we want off. Breakthrough, we do want on by 30 thousandths, so 0.03. Multi-pass, we definitely want on. Keep tool down, machine finish passes after roughing. Tabs, we definitely want on, so we're going to do automatic. And just for the hell of it, put 16 by 16. And we want it on a vertical move. And that should be good. Linking parameters. Depth of -0.5. Let's bring up view, toolpath. Now I'm going to try to check this on this video. So I'm going to go to verify, but I'm going to make sure, or I'm going to try. That I can do another share. Yeah, so it should be this, and hopefully I remember to turn it off. Leaf. Okay, so hopefully you're seeing the simulation. Let's run this. I made a boo-boo, hold on. And rather than pull that or kill that, I'm gonna try to, that did not work. I'm gonna select all right here. There we go. I gotta kill this anyway. Come back, please. I'll be good, I swear. Okay, kill this. Full screen that. Verify this. See what screens we're sharing. So we did our holes. We did that first. You really couldn't see it. And then we've got our tabs to hold the piece together. That should be good. I'm going to kill this. So I'm going to save the file. In fact, I'm just going to stop because you should know how to do this by now, for the love of God. When we come back, I'm going to open the same file and I'm going to save over it as something else. So just be ready. Make sure you save the file .mcam, and you'll need the G code too. Make sure that you are putting your name on there so that I know it is your work, right? So just go to create letters, put your name somewhere I can see it, and you can take a picture of it running in simulation, verify mode. Thanks.